Are you relying solely on protein shakes and heavy lifting to build muscle? But there's a hidden key to faster muscle recovery, enhanced growth, and even reduced soreness that most people completely overlook. This overlooked powerhouse isn't just a fad or a supplement, it's a fundamental building block of your body that could revolutionize your fitness journey. You're about to uncover one of the gym world's best-kept secrets that can supercharge your workouts and results. Welcome to Levitas. What is collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, acting as a structural framework for your skin, bones, tendons, ligaments, and muscles. It's essentially the glue that holds everything together. Made of amino acids like glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, collagen forms strong, flexible fibers that support tissue integrity and elasticity. What makes collagen unique is its triple helix structure, which gives it incredible tensile strength. This means collagen doesn't just provide structure, it actively resists wear and tear, making it essential for a body under physical stress, like during workouts. While your body naturally produces collagen, production declines with age, starting as early as your 20s. Lifestyle factors like smoking, excessive sun exposure, and a poor diet can further deplete collagen levels, leaving you more prone to injuries and slower recovery. In the fitness world, collagen plays a crucial yet often underestimated role. It helps maintain the strength and elasticity of tendons and ligaments, which are vital for supporting muscle movements. Without enough collagen, you risk injuries and compromised performance. By understanding collagen's foundational role, you'll see how it could be the unexpected boost your gym routine needs. Can it impact muscle growth? Collagen might not be the first thing you think of when it comes to muscle growth, but its role is more significant than you'd expect. While it's not as directly involved in muscle synthesis as whey or other high-leucine proteins, collagen contributes indirectly yet powerfully. Muscle growth doesn't happen in isolation, it relies on the entire musculoskeletal system. This includes tendons, ligaments, and connective tissue, all areas where collagen shines. Stronger connective tissues mean your muscles can handle heavier loads, allowing for better performance and progressive overload in the gym, which is the cornerstone of muscle hypertrophy. Moreover, collagen supplementation provides glycine and proline, amino acids that support the body's synthesis of creatine. Creatine is a key player in energy production during high-intensity exercises, indirectly aiding muscle growth. Some studies indicate that collagen supplementation can also help in increasing lean muscle mass when combined with resistance training. It provides the structural support muscles need to grow stronger and more resilient. While collagen alone isn't a direct muscle-building protein, its role in maintaining and enhancing the foundation for muscle growth makes it an essential, and often underestimated, component of your fitness arsenal. Can it replace protein supplements? While collagen is a protein, it doesn't replace traditional protein supplements like whey or casein. Here's why: collagen has a unique amino acid profile, but it lacks certain essential amino acids like tryptophan, which makes it an incomplete protein. Protein supplements such as whey are rich in branched-chain amino acids, particularly leucine, which is a critical trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Collagen, on the other hand, excels in providing amino acids like glycine and proline, which are essential for connective tissue repair and joint health, rather than directly stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Think of collagen as complementary to traditional protein supplements. While whey builds muscle fibers directly, collagen strengthens the connective tissues that support those muscles. By using both, you create a balanced approach, your muscles grow stronger, and your tendons and ligaments are better equipped to handle the increased load, reducing injury risk. To maximize your gains, use whey or other complete proteins for muscle repair and growth, and include collagen earlier in the day or as part of your recovery regimen. This combination ensures you're addressing both muscle and connective tissue health for a well-rounded fitness strategy. How to use for the best muscle benefits. To reap the full benefits of collagen, timing and pairing are key. Studies suggest that consuming collagen 30 to 60 minutes before exercise can optimize its effects. This is because the amino acids in collagen help support the connective tissues that experience strain during workouts, potentially reducing the risk of injuries. Collagen is most effective when paired with vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. Adding a splash of lemon juice to your collagen drink or taking it alongside a vitamin C-rich snack like berries can boost its bioavailability. A typical dose for fitness enthusiasts is 10 to 15 grams of collagen peptides daily. Collagen peptides are a hydrolyzed form of collagen, making them easy to digest and absorb. Mix them into water, kefir, or even your morning coffee for convenience. Additionally, collagen can be part of your bedtime routine. Nighttime supplementation may support recovery and repair processes that naturally occur during sleep. By integrating collagen into your daily regimen strategically, you ensure both immediate support for workouts and long-term benefits for tissue health and resilience. Can it reduce muscle soreness? Muscle soreness, especially after intense workouts, is a common hurdle for gym goers. Collagen supplementation can play a role in alleviating this discomfort, thanks to its unique properties. The amino acids in collagen, particularly glycine and proline, help repair micro tears in connective tissues caused by exercise. This repair process not only strengthens these tissues but also reduces inflammation, a key contributor to post-workout soreness. Collagen also supports joint health, which can indirectly minimize discomfort after high-impact exercises. Stronger, more elastic joints and tendons mean less strain during workouts and faster recovery afterward. One surprising way collagen aids in reducing soreness is through its anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can exacerbate delayed onset muscle soreness, prolonging recovery time. Collagen's ability to modulate inflammatory responses can help your body bounce back quicker. To maximize these benefits, combine collagen supplementation with adequate hydration and proper stretching post-workout. Taking collagen alongside other recovery aids like magnesium or tart cherry juice, known for their anti-inflammatory properties, can further enhance its effects. Incorporating collagen into your fitness routine doesn't just improve performance, it ensures you recover faster, making your workouts more sustainable and effective over time. Are there vegan alternatives? For those following a vegan lifestyle, traditional collagen isn't an option, but there are excellent plant-based alternatives that support collagen production. While these don't contain collagen itself, they provide the building blocks and nutrients your body needs to synthesize it naturally. The top vegan options include silica-rich foods, which are found in bamboo shoots, unripe bananas, and organic oats. Silica supports collagen production by promoting skin and connective tissue health. Vitamin C foods, like lemons, bell peppers, and strawberries are crucial for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C is a cofactor that enables your body to assemble collagen fibers. Amino acids, like glycine and proline, found in legumes, nuts, and seeds, mimic the amino acids in collagen. Pair these foods with vitamin C for maximum effect. Plant-based collagen boosters include supplements derived from algae or yeast, which often contain nutrients that support natural collagen production. To take these alternatives effectively, combine them in a nutrient-rich smoothie or meal. For example, blend organic oats, unripe bananas, spinach for proline, and a splash of lemon juice for vitamin C. Taking a vegan collagen boosting supplement daily can also ensure consistent support for connective tissues, aligning with fitness goals while respecting dietary choices. In conclusion, collagen is more than just a buzzword, it's a vital protein that forms the foundation of your body's connective tissues, ensuring strength, elasticity, and resilience. From bolstering muscle growth and connective tissue health to reducing soreness and aiding recovery, collagen plays an indispensable yet often overlooked role in fitness. While it doesn't replace complete protein supplements like whey, it complements them by targeting tendons and ligaments that support muscle performance. Proper consumption with vitamin C enhances its benefits, while plant-based alternatives offer effective options for vegans. Embracing collagen strategically can elevate both your workouts and overall physical resilience. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.